Hi, we have just released a new software version for our EoC platform. This includes the most important features from our TRIAX Network Analyser tool directly built into the EoC system. This means that you can remotely get live diagnostics data directly in the Graphical User Interface. Behind me here I have a small EoC system where I have logged into the Graphical User Interface. Currently I'm getting live data from these 4 endpoints, which is shown in the user interface. This includes key parameters such as SNR and retransmissions. Each parameter is color-coded, so it's easy to pinpoint where there might be issues and then look further into solving these.
We have built in a lot of intelligence in the system, and this is just another step, very important step on the same road. Intelligence in the system means easier to install and easier to troubleshoot. It has never been easier to choose between reusing the existing coax cable instead of pulling new cable. If you want to learn more about this splendid feature, or if you want to learn more about our Ethernet over coax system in general, where you can reuse the coax network with all its benefits, please reach out to our TRIAX representatives out there. They're happy to help. Thanks for listening.